In order for an investigator to have access to the Animal Care and Use Committee electronic protocol system, they must first email iacuc-office@cpp.edu with their contact information, college, and department, as well as the reasons for needing access to the electronic protocol system. Are you a faculty member engaged in research activities, or are you a faculty member needing to submit a protocol application for a classroom activity? They will have access to investigator view, principal investigator view, where they have several options for submitting a protocol, file an amendment on their already approved protocols, create a signature page, and submit orders, as well as contact information for staff members and the attending veterinarian. Their landing page is their home page, which is the news and announcements about the Institution Animal Care and Use Committee, or guiding information which may be useful to the investigator. To submit an initial application for review, an investigator will choose Submit a Protocol and land on this page, where they will have information about the process of submitting the protocol application, as well as an investigator checklist on the right-hand side. They will fill out the protocol application form, submit it on this page, then complete a signature page, which entails having the personnel or students or staff within the protocol read, sign the signature page, the electronic signature page, in order to acknowledge that they have read, understood, and agree with the purposes of the protocol. There's a link to the electronic risk assessment questionnaire, which is managed by the Environmental Health and Safety, as well as checking the electronic risk assessment. If you're a faculty member or a researcher, you have the ability to check with your credentials to check if your staff, student, or personnel have completed their electronic risk assessment. There's also required city training that anyone within a protocol must complete, as well as just a reminder that you need to submit the protocol and attach the signature page. The personal information will be populated by granting you access to the electronic protocol system once you email IACUC-office. Your campus affiliation could potentially change, which is why you must actually choose this. Select a title for your protocol. And attached your document. The blank protocol application is available here and should be attached here. Once the protocol application is attached, you will submit the protocol for review. It will take approximately 24 to 48 hours for your protocol to be assigned a number. During that time, we'll request that investigators initiate their signature page and start routing them to the appropriate individuals within the protocol application. Once the protocol application is submitted, a pop-up window letting you know that you've successfully submitted this protocol application for review. The IACUC office and the committee chair will be notified via email, as well as yourself as an investigator, that a protocol application has been submitted for review. Please check back within 2 to 3 days to make sure that your protocol application has been assigned a protocol number. Once that protocol number has been assigned, your protocol application will populate within the system in order for you to attach your completed signature page as well as any additional information pertinent to this protocol application. Once the protocol application has been successfully submitted for pre-review, upon the completion of the 2 days, you will be able to check on this protocol if it has been assigned a number. And we'll be able to attach your signature page. If you have not created one, you are able to create one in this page. Once that signature page is completed, it can be attached here to complete the submission. As an investigator submitting an initial protocol, you should receive 2 notification emails. The first one is indicating that your protocol has been submitted to the IACUC office. The second one is when the IACUC members have been assigned to review your protocol. The protocol application review time frame is approximately 3 to 6 weeks, which during this time the IACUC members are reviewing your protocol for the ethical conduct of engaging in research with animals. You will receive another email from the IACUC chair if there are modifications required or requested clarifications of the protocol. Investigators have up to 8 weeks to resubmit a revised protocol. Here, upload new or an updated attachment, where they would submit a revised protocol, or uploading your signature page. This is in the case your protocol has not been initially approved upon the first round of review. If your protocol application has been approved without any further revisions, you will receive an email indicating that your protocol has been approved and the review process has been completed. The research or teaching protocol must also be maintained by submitting an annual animal status report for which automated reminder emails will be sent by our system, as well as submitting the biannual post-approval monitoring form. This will be sent from the IACUC office via email and must be submitted via email or through the elected platform elected by the IACUC office. Once your protocol has been approved, you will be able to review it under My Protocols, as well as download any attachments that have been approved, file an amendment, or create a signature page should you need to create an additional signature page. If you have any further questions, please email iacuc-office@cpp.edu.